Labeling saves lives. It may seem like such a simple thing, but industrial product identification is a fundamental part of keeping employees safe and secure, and your business up and running. Whether it's to mark a hazardous substance pipe, a fire exit, or a wire in an electrical panel, identification is crucial. Compliance to health and safety regulations means companies need to be aware of the standards, prepared to enforce them, and to rely on us to supply the identifiers. Labeling is an important part of being compliant with those regulations, and we understand that. Engineers, buyers, and technicians like the option of working with a consultative company which has the brands they need, the supplies on the shelf, and the technical skills to train and support their staff. Neumann Marking Solutions fits that requirement. With over 20 years of business success, Neumann Marking Solutions specializes in supplying the needs of heavy industry and the energy sector with many different types of compliance, safety, and identification labels. Labels and signs with symbols, logos, text, and barcodes can be produced in an efficient manner at a cost-effective price. Quality, value, and impeccable standards are stressed. Consulting with suppliers, we ensure our products are manufactured using the correct materials to the most exacting production specifications. Our experience and market knowledge means we offer our customers the best solution for their needs, backed by excellent service and ongoing support from an expert team. Neumann Marking Solutions delivers high-performance products, services, and solutions that exceed our clients' expectations. We have the extra edge to build long-lasting relationships with our partners, our accounts, and our colleagues. Choosing the right equipment for the job is a consultative affair. The technician, for ease of operation and reliability, the purchaser, is it affordable and readily available, and the engineer, does it meet the job requirement? All are part of this collaborative process. Because much of the equipment in plants is interconnected, the use of proper labeling ensures safety and provides easier understanding of the system when it's time for upgrades and repairs. Whether it's for the manufacturing of equipment or field marking, having everything properly labeled from beginning to end is of the utmost importance. Identification is key for communication when servicing and installing, and is important that labels clearly mark, highlight, and indicate in a legible, consistent manner. Let's take a look at two of Neumann Marking Solutions clients to determine some of the more important labeling considerations. Chemco supplies full-service electrical and instrumentation systems to the biggest job sites in Canada. Tradespeople, on-site management, equipment, and experience are what make this company successful and competitive. Chemco understands that clear, concise identification on the job contributes to high safety standards and on-time schedules. Compliant with health and safety regulations, Chemco is knowledgeable and prepared to accept their role in identifying and organizing to create safety and efficiencies. Whether it's a general information sign or identifying an arc flash hazard, electrical product identification is a fundamental part of keeping employees safe and their business up and running. By consulting, Neumann Marking Solutions can offer the best option in a timely manner. Working with Chemco to supply what's needed, when it's needed, all to specifications. We've succeeded in our business for 20 years. 15 of those with Chemco, working with the best to supply the best.
They have several different models.
Chemco prefers the option of working with a consultative company which has many brands and options for labeling and identification systems for heavy industry. Being a large supplier and having access to major brands, Neumann Marking Solutions can supply what is needed now. Portable heat shrink printers for field location work or desktop units for project printing are in stock with supplies. Spartan Control specializes in instrumentation for full plant operations. They know the importance of the products that are used to identify their components. After all, they are putting their name and reputation on each piece of equipment. Customers who consult with Spartan Controls are assured of receiving the correct identifiers for their products. Durability and clarity of label products is paramount. Equipment may be subject to aggressive environments, and the identifiers must stand up. Identifiers for equipment, operation, and the safety of the operator are critical. At each stage in the manufacturing process, these markers are installed on the components per the customer specifications. A combination of heat shrink sleeves, electrical panel labels, and lamicoids, regulator and actuator labels, valve tags, both tear-resistant and stainless steel plates may be used. Neumann Marking Solutions supplies identification products for electrical and instrumentation components to meet the specifications of Spartan Controls and their customers. During installation at the customer's location, facilities maintenance will require ongoing use of labels and tags to mark flow, schedule maintenance, special equipment instructions, safety warnings, and any job-specific instructions. Missing a tag or a label on parts and equipment may contribute to wasted time and money on the project. The physical dangers are huge if any components are not readable or missing their markers, and technicians will not be able to advise of health and safety concerns, identify equipment in inventory, or deliver to the site. To create the synergy required for a successful project, all parties must communicate at the same level. Neumann Marking Solutions contributes to the identification building blocks of commercial and industrial facilities by consulting with technicians, buyers, and engineers. In this way, the specified products are supplied, kept in inventory, and shipped on demand. Though it's difficult to deliver the fastest, strongest, and easiest, all at the lowest price, it is possible to meet and even exceed all of your job site requirements. Solutions that take care of all of your needs are not only possible, they can be guaranteed. Neumann Marking Solutions. Identification systems for heavy industry.